Yo, what is going on, guys? Litigation here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a lot of DD to go over, but what better way to start a video off other than a tinfoil hat theory? So without further ado, all I ask you guys to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It is free and it does engage the algorithm and helps YouTube push my video out to more apes like you guys. So let's get right into the video. Yesterday, Adam Aaron tweeted more AMC shares and ape units vested yesterday, bringing my current ownership after income tax paid to 1.97199 million AMC shares and 1.348138 million ape units, not including future vestings. I am AMC's largest retail shareholder. I will not sell any of those anytime soon. I ride with you. Now, starting the video off strong, the CEO, Adam Aaron, the same person we have had conspiracy thoughts with, especially over the last couple weeks, has bought more AMC shares. He also has bought more ape shares. Now, he tweeted this, "Thank you for the picture, KG," and it goes, "I ride with you." He also tweeted this, and it says, "Let's ride," with his face on a roller coaster. Both of those are cool and all. However, this is where it really gets interesting. Adam Aaron tweeted, "Thank you, Nick. The creativity in this community continues to astound me." By the way, someone else tweeted me the observation that AMC, which officially stands for American Multi-Cinema, is also short for Aaron Musk Cohen. The long odds of that being the case are 1 in 17,576. Now, off rip, you might be saying, "Lottery sucks. Why would you believe in these tinfoil hat, these conspiracy theories of what Adam Aaron tweets?" Now, most of the time I disregard it, right? It's not important. It's whatever. You can come up with a tinfoil hat with anything. But take a look at how specific this tweet is, right? The last two tweets, he just put "let's ride" and "I ride with you," whatever. This tweet, he could have just left it off with "the creativity in this community astounded me" after thanking Nick. But then he goes, "By the way, someone else tweeted me, yada, 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 that AMC, which officially stands for American Multi-Cinema." Why would he say that? We know what AMC stands for, but he thought he had to put that out there. And then he goes, "is also short for Aaron Musk Cohen." The long odds of that being the case are 1 in 17,556. Now, why 17,556? Well, if you come over to the litigation release on the SEC June 17th of 2002, litigation 17576, a specific case arising from scheme to pump and dump the stock of interactive multimedia publishers. The fact that he came out and he specified AMC, which officially stands for American Multi-Cinema, and the long odds of that being the case are 1 in 17,576. Litigation 17,576 says, arising from their involvement in a 1996 scheme to pump and dump the stock of Interactive Multimedia Publishers, Inc., an Akron, Ohio software development firm that is now defunct, without admitting or denying the allegations in the commission's complaint, Johnson, Meyer, and Hazlitt investors consented to judgments that permanently enjoin them from the violations of the registration, anti-fraud provisions of the federal securities laws. Now put your tinfoil hats on, because this is just getting nuts. Adam Aaron tweeting this is important in my opinion, because first he comes out and says, "Listen guys, everything I do is in the best interest." Second, he comes out and goes, "Okay, I just proved it. I bought AMC shares." Third, he comes out and states this. Now bear with me, this could mean several things. A lot of people have been saying Adam Aaron is a short, he's a suit. You can see right here, is also a short. Then he states the long odds of that being are 1 in 17,576, saying there are barely any odds of him being a short, and or he has a case open right now against certain institutions for pumping and dumping his stock or manipulating his stock. This could mean a number of things. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you think this is. Now, before we get into some numbers with AMC, I'll slap this in the middle of the video. If you guys want 15 free stocks and a chance to win $60,000, my link will be pinned in the top of comments or in the description. This is a free stock trading app that is very powerful and keeps your money FDIC insured. So if you want these free stocks, you can sell them and collect the money. All you have to do is download the app on your phone or computer and deposit using my link. It can even be 50-cent deposit. It can literally be a penny deposit. You will get these benefits. So according to Stonko Tracker, there are 500,000 shares available to borrow on AMC, with 5,000 calls expiring in the money compared to 26,000 puts, which of course AMC is trading super low. The cost to borrow fee according to Stonko Tracker was 98.3%, for the last 500,000 shares that are available. And here's what's interesting. Over here you can see short exempt volume kind of lowered. However, the short percentage in dark pool increased 62.3%. What this can indicate is that they are actually running out of shares to short AMC, and the price might be nearing a bottom more than you think. According to Stock Tracker, GameStop has 75,000 shares available to borrow at the most recent fee of 20.7. No calls compared to 10,000 puts in the money, just basically, and the same thing. Short exempts somewhat low on GameStop, 66.5%. Short percentage in the dark pool. Now, bank runs are continuing to happen. There is liquidity crisis everywhere. Bank run at crypto lender Silvergate Capital wipes out 7 years of profits. Cryptocurrency focused bank revealed an enormous loss resulting from a struggle to raise cash as deposits plunged in the fourth quarter. Speaking of that, BlackRock's UK property fund delays withdrawals again as investors such as pension funds seek to raise cash. They further state that selling real estate and other liquid assets can be time consuming, and delays like this can help property funds avoid fire sales of assets. This is indicating right now that they are in a liquidity crunch for one, or more likely indicating that the housing market is going to drop further and they don't want to sell on these fire sales, and thus they are going to delay it and wait for the housing market to plummet and then come right back up. Are you guys buying a house in 2023? Genesis parent company DCG has shut down its $3.5 billion wealth management division, while US unemployment rate fell to 3.5%, which is lower than expectations, and the Bank of Japan announced another unscheduled bond buying program. The Bank of Japan is showing us all how broken the system really is. Finally, guys, are you buying Tesla? Tesla just cut prices of its cars in China due to slowing demand. Stepping aside from Stock Tracker, the cost to borrow is still extremely high on Ortex, 268% for the max, the average 236, and the minimum 112. So it does look like Stock Tracker is reporting somewhat close to the minimum, around that 100% range. Touching on the charts real quick, GameStop got a picture perfect bounce, exactly where we said, around, not at that 15.15 level quite yet, but it bounced around $15.46. GameStop currently trading over $16. We really want this to hold 16 bucks, and hopefully it bottoms out, and hopefully AMC bottoms out. Again, not much is happening with the charts. We've been touching on AMC potentially getting that $3.18 gap fill, and GameStop getting a bounce at $15.15. However, this is all going to correlate to how the S&P 500 trades going forward, which is something I wanted to talk about. I thought this was in a little bit of a falling channel here, but it actually looks like we're getting a flat top, because we came back up to this 386.50 level, and I didn't think we were going to come back up to that, but the SPY is up 2% on the day. So usually these do break out to the upside, ping pong back and forth until they break out to the upside. However, I'm literally just stuck in the middle, and at this point we have to see what the S&P 500 does, because in my opinion, I was expecting a new relative low below $352. But if this does break to the upside, maybe 2023 will be different than everybody is thinking. Overall, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video or found value out of the video. Get this to 1,000 likes for me, because YouTube has been stunting my videos for the past 2 videos, and I started noticing it. Make sure to like the video, engage the video, and share it to your friends, your family, whoever it may be. That is what I got for you. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.